Hi, and welcome to your English class. Today, you are going to learn and practice, where are you from? Where are you from? We will also practice, what country are you from? What country are you from? As well as, what city are you from? What city are you from? Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with me as an example. Where am I from? Repeat. Where am I from? I'm from Senegal. Repeat. I am from Senegal. What country am I from? Repeat. What country am I from? I'm from Senegal. Repeat. I am from Senegal. What city am I from? Repeat. What city am I from? I'm from Dakar. Repeat. I am from Dakar. Very good. Now let's use some celebrities as examples. Where is Idris Elba from? Where is he from? Repeat. Where is he from? He is from the UK and Sierra Leone. Repeat. He is from the UK and Sierra Leone. What country is he from? Repeat. What country is he from? He is from England and Sierra Leone. Repeat. He is from England and Sierra Leone. What city is he from? Repeat. What city is he from? He is from London. Repeat. He is from London. Very good. Let's practice with a female celebrity. Where is Lupita Nyong'o from? Where is she from? Repeat. Where is she from? She's from Mexico and Kenya. Repeat. She is from Mexico and Kenya. What country is she from? Repeat. What country is she from? She's from Mexico and Kenya. Repeat. She is from Mexico and Kenya. What city is she from? Repeat. What city is she from? She's from Mexico City. Repeat. She is from Mexico City. Very good. Now let us use Yumiko and Akira Tanaka. Where are Yumiko and Akira Tanaka from? Where are they from? Repeat. Where are they from? They are from Japan. Repeat. They are from Japan. What country are they from? Repeat. What country are they from? They're from Japan. Repeat. They are from Japan. What city are they from? Repeat. What city are they from? They're from Tokyo. Repeat. They are from Tokyo. Very good. Where are you from? Repeat. Where are you from? I am from Italy. Repeat. I am from Italy. What country are you from? Repeat. What country are you from? I am from France. Repeat. I am from France. What city are you from? Repeat. What city are you from? I am from Paris. Repeat. I am from Paris. Very good. So, where are you from? What country are you from? What city are you from? Please let me know in the comments below. Now, let's practice all of this in a sort of conversation. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi. Hello. Are you from Singapore? No, I am not from Singapore. Are you from Venezuela? No, I am not from Venezuela. What country are you from? I am from France. Oh, excellent. What city are you from? I am from Marseille. Are you from New York? No, I'm not from New York. Are you from San Francisco? No, I'm not from San Francisco. Are you from Portland? No, I'm not from Portland. What city are you from? I'm from Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States. Wow, amazing. Very good. Please feel free to watch the video as often as you need and to repeat and repeat and repeat. If you have any questions or problems, please feel free to let me know below, and I hope to see you at our next lesson. Thanks so much, and goodbye.